The Jamaican government is moving cautiously on the implementation of the Demerit point system amid public concerns and calls for reform. Our reporter Marlon Samuels provides us with more details in this report.
In a written statement on Monday, August 3, Minister of Energy, Transport and Telecommunications Daryl Vaz noted that a thorough review is underway to evaluate all aspects of the Road Traffic Act. This includes outstanding traffic tickets and the legal implications of the demerit points system. In the statement, the minister emphasized that any legislative changes will be guided by legal analysis, established precedent, and stakeholder consultations. He also addressed recent calls for an amnesty on unpaid fines, noting that such measures will adhere strictly to existing laws. Statistics reveal a sobering reality. Between April and June 2026, Jamaica recorded 75 fatal crashes, resulting in 83 deaths. Speeding is said to account for 24% of these fatalities. The government says it remains committed to balancing legal certainty with the urgent need to improve road safety. A dedicated team is expected to produce a preliminary report in September, after which the government will inform the public of any further actions or revised timelines.
Road safety remains a top priority for the government as they review the policy to protect lives and ensure fairness under the law. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.